Number 17, special 30, 60, 90 right triangle. What are the rules? Well, everything is always based off of this side across from the 30. I call it the short side. Whatever he is, call him X. The hypotenuse will be twice as big, and the long side here will simply be that short side times the square root of 3. So the hypotenuse will be that short side times 2, and the long side here across from the 60 degrees, that guy will be the X value times root 3. So what do we have here? Well, this one's a little trickier than normal. So here's the short side. We know we multiplied by root 3 to get there. We multiplied by root 3 to get 6. So how do I move back? Well, if you multiplied by root 3 to get there, we divided that 6 by root 3 to move back. So this X is simply 6 divided by root 3. But the problem is we don't like answers where you have the denominator as a square root. We need to rationalize that denominator. So we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. That's how we get rid of the radical in the bottom. We get 6 root 3 over 3, but 6 and 3 both can be divided by 3, becomes a 1 and a 2. So this guy simply is 2 root 3. That's the way we should write it instead of writing 6 divided by root 3. So the X is 2 root 3. The hypotenuse, this Y right here, is double that. So if you do 2 times 2 root 3, what do you get? You get 4 root 3. So X is 2 root 3 and Y is 4 root 3. On 18, okay, we have the hypotenuse. We know we multiplied by 2 to get there. So to get back, I divide by 2. So X is simply square root of 7 divided by 2. Can I have that? Yeah, there's not a radical on the bottom. It's just root 7 divided by 2. Now to get the long side, we multiply this root 7 over 2. We multiply him by a root 3, which will simply be square root of 21 over 2. Ugly, but that's what he is. And again, as long as you don't have a radical on the bottom, you're fine. So it's square root of 21 over 2, and X is root 7 over 2.